Hey everybody, you guys like bacon and dip? Well, put them together and we got a great video for you today.
Roll the intro.
What is up, my keto friends, and you know who you are. Welcome back to another video. My name is Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
If this is your first time here on this channel and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, click that red subscribe button right below us or somewhere on the screen popping up. Also click the bell so you'll get reminded, and move a little bit over with your mouse cursor. Click the word all so you get notified when we upload great ketogenic content on this channel. Now, like I said earlier in intro in the video, bacon and dip, we've got a combo for you today. Now, if you've noticed something a little different, we usually wear, Susan usually wears really fashionable designs here on the set. She has a wardrobe consultant, which lets her know what YouTube audience is like. I have gone with, you know, the Nintendo shirts, the rock and roll shirts. But today, as you can see, we're donning something very special to us.
Roll Tide.
It's called a Roll Tide.
You're too short.
I'm too short, or the camera should be down. Nonetheless, Rolling Tide. Why is it Roll Tide? Because we've moved quietly into a season called football. Now, we don't have gear like Kansas City Chiefs or the 49ers, or...
We don't have a pro team.
Right.
NFL.
Or she don't, you know, like the Bears.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The Bears.
The Bears.
The Bears.
So, in Alabama, we don't have a pro team, but we like to don our Roll Tide gear because we've been known to win some national championships here and there.
Hate us.
Now, why are we talking about this? Because we've moved into a season we like to call tailgating, or if you don't do tailgating, you at least go to people's houses and have parties and you act like you're at a tailgate, right?
Right.
Because you're eating chips, you're eating dip, you're eating wings.
Dude, this is like my favorite time of year.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, chili, whatever.
Yeah.
Well, have you ever been to that party where you're like, I'm keto-fied now, and they've got nothing on the menu that's for me?
No, because we went to one of our keto friends' house and they actually made our pizza recipe for us. It was awesome. And what else did we take?
That was good. I think you brought some bacon dip, which we're about to show you how to make tonight. What I was going to say, by the way, speaking of parties, Susan just turned 50 a couple of weeks ago.
Wow.
And I threw her a surprise birthday party. If you didn't see that, if you follow us on Facebook, it was live and it was golden. That was one of the parties where we had to go, ease up on the sugar, people.
Yeah, but Byron went to Zamboango. Well, he didn't go. He went to their website and ordered me a birthday cake, and it was a keto strawberry birthday cake.
Anyway, they shipped the cake. It was a strawberry cream cake from Atlanta to our house. And it was frozen. Next day after it was thawed out, it was delicious. I don't know why I said that. Oh, I said that because we were at a party, her surprise birthday party. And
I can't believe you told them I'm 50. Like, I'm supposed to keep that a secret.
Oh, hey.
I'm just kidding.
No, never mind.
I don't care. Age is just a number.
Scratch that from the jurors. Today, bacon dip. That's what we're talking about.
Can we get to bacon?
Yeah, no. I want to say one more thing. Because when you go to parties, you're like, what can I bring? Well, we've kind of keto-fied it because it's bacon. We've made everything that you would normally eat in a baconish dip for keto, except we're going to use pork skins to eat the dip with.
It's really keto anyway, because I didn't find this recipe on a keto website.
You
didn't?
Just
kind of, no. So
this is yours?
No, it's not. I found it's not keto website. It's just...
It's bacon dip.
Keto food. Right. You can eat it on keto.
Right, just not with chips.
Now can we get to making?
Yes.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 12 ounces of bacon, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 4 green onions chopped.
You just saw Susan mix this bad boy up. It is hot and toasty. The cup is hot. So here's what we do with this. Put it in whatever dish you want. It's bacon dip. And what we do is we pull out the golden pork skin. Straight from the pig.
And the only reason he likes the pork skins is because you can like scoop a lot.
Look at that,
Oh
like a
my.
Frito chip.
That's a
Okay.
lot.
We'll always get a bunch. Ready? Mm-hmm. Are you going with
Sure,
me?
yeah, I'm going in.
I was born around
Ready?
that.
Dink it.
Oh, not my shirt.
Oh no. Okay.
Mm.
It actually landed on my foot. And it's hot.
Oh,
Hot on my foot.
hold on.
I'm not wearing shoes, by the way. Thanks, babe.
Oh, got it. So the rat. Oh my gosh.
So that was kind of, we needed
Are you joking me right now? This is perfect for tailgating.
this is amazing. And I already knew that because we've had it like several times.
So, the keto friend that made our pizza, we made this over the house.
They
You're
devoured
welcome. You're welcome because they loved it. So
it. Their sons devoured it.
now you can make it yourself.
And we were like, hey, that's keto food. And they're like, really?
Keto food? Did you buy this somewhere?
Wow. Such a big mouth.
Wow.
That's awesome, guys. You've got to try this. If you haven't tried it, it's so amazing.
What is? I can't.
Right?
It's too good.
You could just have that on a sandwich.
Woo. You could really.
Okay.
You could have it on a sandwich. All right, guys. Hold on.
We're going to stop because...
All right, guys. That's the video. Thank you for watching the video today. Bacon dip. Should we call it keto bacon dip?
warm, cheesy bacon dip. Warm, cheesy bacon dip.
Warm, cheesy bacon dip. And you can have it on keto if you use the pork skin.
Yeah, we got to pretend like it's cold here because we're in Alabama. It's October. It's still 80 degrees. So.
Yeah. Rolling Tide. That's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I already said that. But thanks again. Oh, by the way, we passed 400 subscriber mark. I want to thank everybody
Thank you guys so much.
supporting our channel, subscribing, liking, commenting. We love your comments. As you can tell, because we reply back with love, with that little heart, little love, and I try to reply to everyone that makes a comment on the channel. So appreciate everybody. Next milestone is 500. We're on our way. So I don't know what we're gonna do when we hit 500. Throw a birthday bash.
I don't know. We'll see.
Anyway, maybe have some bacon dip. That's the video, guys. Appreciate you. Remember, until next time, keep it roll tide.
Now I love that one.
I knew you would.
That one works.
Bacon dip.
We'll be right back.